Hey guys, this is Varun from Guiding Tech and you're watching my in-depth review of the Logitech MX Master 3, which is undoubtedly one of the best mice out there for creators and professionals and whatnot. Okay, so let's start off with the design here. The MX Master 3 comes with a very well engineered design that fits almost every palm size. There are 5 extra buttons here apart from the usual 2-click buttons along with an additional scroll wheel. All the extra buttons here can be customized with the Logitech G Hub software. And to be honest, all the buttons along with the horizontal scroll bar, the backward and forward button work very well for every use case out there. At the bottom, it has all 3 sensors and a device switching button which can switch between 3 different devices. So basically, while I'll talk about it in the connectivity section, the mouse uses both 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connectivity options. So you can just pair it with multiple devices and use the bottom button to switch between devices. So you can just have your dongle plugged into one device and switch between 2 Bluetooth devices alternatively as per your convenience. Now talking about the scroll wheel, it has an all-new MagSpeed electromagnet structure and it is engineered in such a way that you can precisely scroll line by line with feedback on your index finger. The buttons and scroll are very precise and silent, and the best part here is that you can enjoy while scrolling. That gives you an overall great experience. Now personally, I have large hands, but everyone on my team was able to use the Master 3 without any issues. I mean, it fits all palm sizes very easily and very comfortably as well. Now, while I said that the buttons are easily accessible and obviously do come in handy, the gesture button allows you to do basic functions quite efficiently too. You can press the gesture button and swipe the mouse up and down or left in order to open task view for Windows, mission control for Mac, switch between desktops and whatnot. I think my favorite part here is that it comes with presets for pretty much every app out there for creators or professionals. You have profiles for most of the apps such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and creator apps such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro and whatnot. The horizontal scroll button allows you to scroll long timelines in Premiere Pro on Excel sheets, and it also allows you to scroll through long horizontal lines when you're coding. Now in terms of connectivity, the range is very good. The Bluetooth range lasts up to 10 meters, but it also comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless adapter, which really enhances your wireless range and also means that you get almost negligible input lag. Alternatively, you can also use it directly with your PC by using the supplied Type-C cable. Now next up we have the battery life, and honestly wireless mice usually do not last that long. Thankfully, that is not the case with the Logitech Master 3, which offers some stellar battery life. I mean, in the last 2 months of my usage, I have never even felt the need to charge this. I mean, the company already claims that it will last for 70 days and that claim has held up pretty well in my testing at least. Also, it comes with 1-minute quick charge, which basically means that simply connecting it to the charger for 1 minute will grant you somewhere around 3 hours of usage, which is pretty good. So what's the verdict here? Well, let me clarify one thing outrightly, that this is not a gaming mouse. A lot of you guys, personally, even I know a lot of guys who actually buy the MX Master 3 thinking that maybe it can double up as a gaming mouse as well. You know, use it while you're working on projects or while you're coding or something like that, and then use it for gaming needs as well. Trust me, this mouse will really spoil your gaming experiences. It's not designed for that, and while the input lag is something that you won't really notice, the overall structure does not really come in handy for fast switching between weapons and fast movement of your players. So yeah, if you're looking for a good wireless mouse, you can look at the G502 Lightspeed or other wireless options from the likes of Corsair and HyperX and even Zowie. But for what it's worth, the MX Master 3 is the best mouse, at least the one that I've used, for creators, professionals and whatnot. Like obviously the preset profiles come in super handy, and everything else, the range, the design, the horizontal scroll wheel, everything else just adds on to the whole experience. Now coming to the price, it is priced a little bit higher here in India, but to be very honest, if you're looking for an option, well, there's no other alternative to the MX Master 3 that really matches up to it. So yeah, it's kind of a monopoly here, but you still get a really good experience for what you pay. Well, that is it. If you like this video, make sure to let us know in the comments below and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.